Hey foodies, we're gonna make some really simple crispy oven baked chicken without the use of any oil for frying and without the use of any flour. So let's get into it. So the first thing we'll do, guys, is prep our baking tray. So I have a baking tray. I put some foil wrap on it, and you can use parchment paper if you prefer. But because I'm using a high temperature, I prefer the foil wrap. And then you just put a wire rack on top, and this was brushed with oil. All right. So for our dry coating, I have baking powder, and then I'm gonna add garlic powder and onion powder, some chicken seasoning, use your favorite, and a little black pepper. Go in with salt if you need to, and just mix everything together. I've used this for chicken wings before, but today I am doing some drumsticks. These were cleaned and then pat dried thoroughly. Make sure you do that. All right. And then pull down as much skin as you can. We just want to make sure we get all of the coating on that skin. Okay. So all you're going to do now is pour that mixture all over the chicken. Now, of course, there are many ways to do oven fried chicken. You can do egg and breadcrumbs or egg and flour, but I wanted to show you guys this light coating so that if you want to avoid the flour, you can do it this way. So just toss everything together, make sure all of the skin and the chicken is coated, and then we're going to put this on the wire rack. Okay, of course, if you're not opposed to using oil or cooking spray, once you lay them on this, you could always spray them with your cooking spray if you want that extra color and extra crunch, but we're just not doing that today. All right, so bake that for 20 minutes and then you're gonna flip it over. So that's 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We baked it for 20 minutes. We're gonna flip it, and then what we're gonna do is put it back into the oven for another 20 minutes. Once it comes out of the oven, guys, we're going to flip it again. So just flip this again, put it right back into the oven for another 20 minutes. And here we go. Gorgeous, really beautiful, really light, guys. If you get, kind of panicky about the dry bits, you can always spray it with cooking spray before you put it in the oven, but it's not necessary. This is just a beautiful light coating. So give it a try and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you next time.